So this is the third garbage truck. It's now 10:30 a.m. I'm sad that I did not take videos of the first two. Garbage trucks, but the second one was just by my balcony. You see, my balcony is here, and it was just right here, and the truck was completely empty when they were like putting the trash there. So something is wrong, because it's the morning, it's 10:30 a.m. These buildings are empty. The garbage trucks, they're empty. This one maybe half. So no bottles now. By the way, I walked yesterday by that restaurant, which is at 81 Washington Avenue, several times during the day. There are no customers. But the problem here is that the third garbage truck it's 10:30 a.m. and probably there will be two more. Yeah, let's take the